Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing stylish Mehndi designs for girls that are perfect for every occasion. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these designs are trendy, elegant, and easy to apply. Let's get started. Segment 1. Chic Floral Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a chic floral Mehndi design. This pattern features delicate flowers and intricate swirls, creating a sophisticated yet modern look. Perfect for casual wear and parties. Segment 2. Modern Arabic Mehndi Pattern. If you love stylish yet simple patterns, you'll adore this modern Arabic Mehndi design. With bold curves, minimal shading, and elegant flow, it's a great choice for both festive and everyday looks. Segment 3. Bracelet-style Mehndi design. For a fashionable touch, try this bracelet-style Mehndi design. It features chain-like patterns and delicate dots, giving a jewelry-inspired feel. Perfect for girls who love stylish accessories. Segment 4. Trendy Mandala Mehndi Pattern. Mandalas are always in style. This trendy mandala Mehndi design is a mix of modern and traditional elements. With a detailed circular pattern at the center, it's a must-try for any girl who loves classic beauty. Segment 5. Minimalist Finger Mehndi Design. If you prefer a subtle and trendy look, try this minimalist finger Mehndi design. It focuses on tiny patterns, dots, and geometric lines, giving a stylish and sophisticated touch. Ideal for any occasion. Which stylish Mehndi design for girls was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Henna Art by Bia for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. See you in the next video.